In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Dexscreener. To get started, go ahead and open Dexscreener on your device and sign in into your account. So you can sign in by connecting your wallet on Dexscreener. Go into this section and click on that Anon button to be able to sign into your account. So you can sign in using your Google account or by connecting your wallet. So click on that Connect Wallet option in this area, and in here you'll be able to find the list of wallets available. Go ahead and look for Phantom Wallet and click on Phantom Wallet. So make sure that you have the app installed on your device, since this will redirect you to Phantom Wallet. On Phantom Wallet, you'll need to confirm the connection between your Phantom Wallet and your Dexscreen account. So you'll need to confirm that in this section. Now once you have that confirmed, you'll be able to trade, buy, and sell on Dexscreener. And that is how you can simply connect Phantom Wallet to Dexscreener.